Hello everyone, welcome to Text Forward, the podcast exploring the intersection of technology and business. Today we are diving deep into a critical topic, IT capabilities and organizational ambidexterity. How can businesses balance innovation with efficiency, and what role does information technology play in achieving this? Let's find out. First, let's define our terms. IT capabilities refer to firms' ability to mobilize and deploy IT-based resources, combined with other organizational resources, to achieve business goals. This includes technical IT skill, management skills, and IT practices. In short, it's not just about having the tech, it's about knowing how to use it effectively. Organizational ambidexterity, on the other hand, is a company's capability to simultaneously pursue both exploration of the new opportunities and exploitation of existing capabilities. This means innovating while optimizing current operations, which is a difficult but essential balance to strike. Our first point explores the current phenomenon where IT capabilities are foundational for organizational ambidexterity. In today's rapidly changing business environment, many small-medium enterprises struggle to survive due to limited resources and managerial capabilities. IT is crucial for creating digitized procedures and knowledge repositories, thus enabling organizational resilience. IT capabilities also allow businesses to acquire and process new information to improve operations and explore new opportunities. For example, IT can enhance the efficiency of operations, customer management, and supplier relationship control. In essence, IT capabilities are crucial to managing the trade-off between exploration and exploitation, the core of organizational ambidexterity. Let's move to our second key point. Why is IT now indispensable for businesses? The simple answer is competitive advantage and survival. Information technology enables firms to adapt challenges, market trends, and changes in customer preferences. As globalization accelerates the development of new technology, businesses must constantly update their strategies. IT provides the means to create new markets and gain a competitive edge through improved interactivity, cheaper transaction, and direct communication with partners and clients. Also, IT supports the automation and improvement of business processes. Businesses need to use information technology innovatively to stay ahead of the curve. Furthermore, IT is essential for supply chain collaboration, which is enhanced by the sharing of information among supply partners. Our third key point addresses where IT plays a critical role. It's not limited to one area but rather spans multiple facets of a business. IT is vital for achieving strategic alignment of IT investments with business objectives. This also includes areas such as business process management. IT is instrumental in automating and improving business processes, ensuring efficiency and effectiveness. Innovation. IT impacts product innovation, enabling firms to incorporate new knowledge and improve process. IT also plays a crucial role in exploring new opportunities. Supply chain management. IT facilitates collaboration within supply chains, improving efficiency, information sharing, and coordination. Data-driven decision making. IT enables business to use data analytics and business intelligence for strategic decision making. Organizational resilience. IT helps business overcome crises and adapt to market shifts, contributing to overall resilience. Digital transformation, IT is the primary drivers of changes to business models and strategies, particularly in the digital age. IT strategy. IT strategies must be aligned with business strategies to ensure that IT support the organization goals. Managing IT well includes the formulation of strategies that include revenue expansion or cost reduction. In conclusion, IT capabilities and organizational ambidexterity are not separate goals, but interconnected necessities. Businesses must develop strong IT capabilities to support innovation while ensuring efficiency and resilience. It is crucial for business leaders to understand IT's central role and to invest accordingly. Without a focus on both, companies may struggle to thrive in today's dynamic market. Thank you for joining us on Text Forward. Join us next time as we continue to explore the evolving world technology and its impact on business.